Qatar has handed death penalty to 8 former Indian Navy personnel. They were arrested last August in an alleged case of espionage. The Indian government expressed its shock at the verdict. Now, Qatar's intelligence agency arrested the 8 men on August 30, 2022. They were kept in solitary confinement for months. They were arrested on charges that have not yet been made public, but are assumed to be in the absence of any denial by either country regarding spying. The Indian embassy first learned about the arrest in mid-September last year.
This is a very sensitive case. I'm referring to the detention of some of our ex-servicemen in Qatar. Our ambassador, senior officials have been in continuous touch with the Qatari government on this. Our effort is obviously to ensure that they are not treated unfairly and that if the sooner we can bring them back home.
Following the intervention of Indian authorities, meetings and phone calls for the men were arranged with their relatives. Multiple bail petitions filed on behalf of the retired Navy personnel were turned down. Now, all the former Navy officers had a distinguished service record of up to at least 20 years. The Indian Navy veterans are Commander Purnendu Tiwari, Commander Sugnakar Pakala, Commander Amit Nagpal, Commander Sanjeev Gupta, Captain Navteej Singh Gill, Captain Birendra Kumar Verma, Captain Saurav Vashisht, and Sailor Ragesh Gopakumar. Now, Commander Purnendu Tiwari, who was the managing director of the company, received the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman in 2019. All the 8 Indians worked for a private firm, Lara Global Technologies and Consultancy Services. Now, the company's old website, which no longer exists, said it provided training and other services for Qatar's armed forces. Now, the company is owned by a retired squadron leader of the Royal Oman Air Force. Ajmi too was arrested last year but was released in November 2022. Reacting to the verdict, the Ministry of External Affairs said that they are awaiting the detailed judgment in the case and are exploring all legal options.
We are seized of the matter. Our embassy is actively pursuing this case. You mentioned about the family members not being allowed to get a visa. No, we are trying to facilitate that. I understand family members who are in Doha have been able to go there, and we are trying to facilitate those who are here to go. The update that I have is that today we got our second consular access. Our embassy officials were able to meet the detainees and ascertain their well-being. And of course, we will continue to extend all possible consular assistance.